Oh! So we're over here at Tire Kingz open house today. It is Saturday, the 1st of December, and I'm kind of just walking around looking like I'm helping them out, but I'll if they need help with anything. They're getting the car set up. We already have the Slide United crew. Their cars are set up over here. We'll start with the famous Slide United 350Z that you guys know very well about. And over here we have Tommy Jones and Austin's car right there. Then there's some ugly guy's car right here. And I'm just gonna wipe down my engine bay a little bit because it got a little dusty on the way here. So as much abuse as I put this car through, I like to keep it clean as much as I can.
But yeah, it'll be a fun event, man. I'm
definitely.
Really
I'm excited.
We're selling a bunch of stuff, have a bunch of merchandise.
Exactly. Oh yeah, guys, if you need what do you guys sell? I know you sell tires.
Yeah, we have tires.
All right, I'll let Austin take the floor.
Oh, y'all can start.
All right. Oh my goodness. So we're doing tires, rims, lift kits, and a bunch of different things like that. We install everything here. We can pretty much get any make and model of any tire. Actually, right now we're selling t-shirts, power banks, as well as Yetis. And check us out today.
You heard it from the man. Hey, what are you doing in the box?
We're sending out some flyers.
My boyfriend's here.
Hi, friend.
Yes. The sex magnet. I love Tyson's car. It is tits.
Here, let me get that for you. All better.
Oh.
What? There's
What kind of dance party you got going on over here?
Underglow module.
Man,
it keeps changing.
mine isn't wired in right now.
But like it's been randomly shutting off now. It changes modes whenever it wants.
Yeah,
You do the UFO stuff. Yeah, I think so.
I'm waiting. The suspense is killing me.
hold up.
Oh! Oh! Lit. This guy with the Christmas tree. What up? Good, you? Yeah, I like your sexy tree. You like that? Okay. Yeah, I like that. I like it so much I was about to get pummeled by it. Yeah? So he's doing the raffle right now. Let's see who wins.
We got Jesse.
Yeah!
Jesse.
What I win?
One more ticket. Thomas Jones.
Oh.
Where's he at? All right.
If I don't say goodbye, I'm going to say goodbye now because I'll probably get sucked into conversations and forget. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Probably weekly is like my schedule right now. So yeah, thank you for watching. Comment below and I will see you next time. Peace. Yeah. What do you want to do?
Oh, I want to have some fun.
Hell
man.
yeah. So there's more.